my creative friend. Welcome back to my channel. Today's story is about something very small yet very powerful. A bottle, something we use once and usually throw away without thinking. Something we use once and usually throw away without thinking. But what if this bottle still has a story to tell? Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was an empty glass bottle lying in a corner of a house. Dust slowly covered it. It was forgotten. People walked past it every day, not knowing that this bottle was once part of a celebration filled with joy, laughter, and memories. Now it was silent, but silence does not mean the end. In another corner of the same house, someone believed that nothing is truly useless. Old bottles, used jars, broken things. To this person, waste was not trash, it was possibility. The bottle was picked up gently, washed carefully, cleaned like it mattered because it did. That moment changed everything. Bottle recycling is not just about saving money, it is about respecting resources. Glass bottle takes hundreds of years to break down in nature. Plastic bottle even longer, but with a little creativity, they can be given a second life, a better life. The bottle was placed on a table. Simple tools were ready. Jute rope, glue lace, paint, dried flowers, nothing expensive, nothing fancy, just imagination. Slowly the transformation began. Jute wrapped around the bottle, covering its plain surface with warmth and texture. Each round of jute felt like a heartbeat return. The bottle was no longer empty, it was becoming something new, creative. This bottle was no longer waste, it was becoming home decor, a vase, a lantern, a centerpiece, something that would soon bring beauty to the space. Bottle craft can teach us an important lesson. What we throw away today could be useful tomorrow. With paint, bottles can become colorful flower vases. With fairy lights, they turn into glowing lamps. With jute and twine, they become rustic decor pieces. One bottle, many ideas. As the craft continued, small details were added. A bow made of jute, a dried flowers placed gently. Suddenly, the bottle looked proud. Yes, proud. This is the magic of handmade recycling. It turns shame into confidence, waste into worth, old into beautiful. The bottle now stood on a shelf. People noticed. Someone asked, "Where did you buy this?" And the answer was simple, "I made it." The answer carries happiness. Bottle recycling also teaches children an important habit: to care, reuse, to think before throwing things away. It creates a future where creativity is valued more than consumption. For many people, bottle craft becomes a peacefully hobby. For some, it becomes a small. For others, it becomes a way to decorate their home with love. All from something once called waste. Every recycled bottle carries a silent message. I was saved.